Welcome friends, welcome to my channel Vocabulary Practice with Namu. Friends, today I am going to teach you how to speak fluently. This is my experience. I am going to share my experience with all of you in terms of 7 tips I am going to share with you which I follow always. The first tips I am going to share with you, if you want to improve your speaking skills, if you want to speak fluently, you need to read newspaper is the main source of speaking skills, of your communication skills. If you are reading newspaper, I am definitely sure that your communication skills going to be very improved dramatically. So you never thought that it is very useful for this way. But if you are not a avid reader, if you are just a beginner, you need to choose a one paragraph and you need to read with loudly. And if you have any problem with any vocabulary words, you need to mention in your notebook and also search, and you have to revise and practice daily those words, and you have to try to use in a sentence of those words. That is very useful for your communication skills and also for your fluent English. So this is really very important. The second factor I am going to choose is chatting application, which I follow always. I am going to tell you that my communication skills, my speaking skills is not good as right now. I am not going. If you are watching my first video, you can understand what is my communication skills and how can I improve. I improve with chatting application. I am talking with so many foreign friends, foreign persons, that we are talking in English rarely. Sometimes oftenly we are talking in English, and that is improve my communication skills. That gave me courage to improve my communication skills and also speak fluently in English. The third factor I am going to choose is reading books. Reading books is also a good way to improve your English fluency in terms of so many ways. The first thing I am going to tell you about me, that I am not a heavy reader. I am just a beginner. So I choose a book that is really good for me, that I have interested to read. It does not mean that you have to choose any book. It means that you have to choose a book that you are in a good way and that you are interested to read that book. If you are not a avid reader, it's okay, it's fine, there is no problem. You just need to choose 1 or 2 pages you have to read every day, and you need to find so many words, and you need to mention again in your notebook and practicing these words always. And when you are writing, when you are speaking with someone, you need to mention those words you have writing or you have practicing. This the third factor I am going to told you. So now I am going to tell you the fourth one. You have to you have to improve your communication skills. So if you don't have any person that you are talking with in English, you need to choose a person that always ready for you to speak English. You have to talk with him or her every day to improve your communication skills. So it's really important for you that you need a person that guide you, that also help you, and that also talking with you in English. So it's really important. The next factor I am going to tell you, you need to watch TV shows or movies which is in a subject of English. I mean Hollywood movies. If you have any interest in TV shows or Hollywood movies, you need to watch that TV shows or movies. That also improve your communication skills. And when you have a good vocabulary words, then you have a bunch of vocabulary words, then you improve your communication skill and you can speak fluency. I am sure about that. The next factor I am going to tell you, this is my experience, because uh, you know that I am writing blogs. If you are view my about section, you can see that I like to writing blogs in health and fitness topics. So writing blogs also help me to improve my communication skills. The reason why I am going to tell you that when I am writing my blogs in first time I don't know how to write, but sooner than later I am going to improve myself. I am watching so many website, I am reading so many bloggers website, I am reading so many topic that improve my communication skills and also improve my speak, speaking fluency. That is really important for me. So this is the thing that I am going to mention. The last factor that I am always choosing is you need to invent vocabulary words. You need to search vocabulary words, new words. If you are going somewhere and you have saw a different word, you need to mention in your notebook and you have to practicing. If you are considering these factors, I am surely that you improve your communication skills and you also improve your English fluency. That's all today's topic, and I hope that you like my topic. So please do like and subscribe my channel, or also click the bell icon with all. Thank you so much. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.